Small-scale fishery sustain the livelihood of over 7,000 households along Honduras Caribbean coast. The fisheries are an essential sources of food and income for all that community. Without them, most of coast home would not be able to feed themselves or cover basic needs. How do you know Honduras is one of the poorest countries in the Western Hemisphere? It has 9 million inhabitants, in which 70% are poor and 44% live in extreme poverty. With the arrival of the COVID-19, the government adopted a series of measures to stop the spread of the virus. The strongest of these measures has been the lockdown at the national level. These measures immediately affected the seafood supply chain and insulate the fisher from the market, affecting their income almost automatically. The government enabled all producers, including fishers, to continue operating with a certain normality in order to ensure food for the rest of populations. However, markets, restaurants, and hotels are still closed to this day, and the lockdown is still ongoing. This caused that although the fishers are fishing because they have access to the resources and doing the activity, there is no one to sell their product to. COVID came and changed everything. Suddenly, we cannot reach the community, we cannot meet their people, we cannot shake our hands, and that is really sad for us. When you have many friends and you meet so many exceptional people that you don't know when you will see them again, or talk with them, or go to fishing with them, it's difficult not to feel, sad. And now it's so evident to see how fishing is the immediate food that safeguards the safety net for all coastal community, not only in Honduras, but around the world right now. So the health and abundance of these resources is key to survival in this community. COVID-19 is forcing us to think even more about innovative ways to develop our work, to create new methodology. It's challenging us to reinvent ourselves, to be even better than we are. Honduras is a country in the region with the highest economic loss due to disaster, mainly hurricane and floods. So in the past 2 years, RED has worked hands in hand with the local government of 19 coastal municipalities along the north coast of Honduras, primarily in strengthening the financial, environmental, and social resilience of fishers and their family. Thinking that hurricane, floods, or low fishing periods were going to continue to be the main climate threats for the community. Although we did not expect a virus as shows, we see that we was achieved in terms of preparing community for extreme event is serving to lessen the impact of COVID. People have adopted cohesive communication and mutual trust behavior that are making a big difference right now. The saving clubs, savings and social funds are serving as a financial buffer to the purchase of food and medicines. The network of mayors is more active than ever, sharing resources, key contacts, experience, seeking solutions together. The mayors, along with all leaders of the community, are working mutually to direct the rest of the community toward the exit of this crisis. The fisher has given us a tremendous lesson of generosity and serving others. When you see them donating the social fund of their saving clubs to buy food for the most vulnerable people in the community. Mayors have given us an impressive lesson in leadership, strength, service to others. If you remember, the mayors are normal people like you, like me, but there are, for example, mayors with serious illness who has working almost 20 hours a day, risking their life to save others. It's in this case that you realize that there is hope, there is a tomorrow, they are not alone, that we are all commit with this country to our people and to our resources. That gives me hope to continue.